Hi mates, welcome back. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to create a Goodreads account in a few easy steps. So trust me, it's very easy, there's nothing complicated, even the boomers can do it. Just make sure you watch this video all the way till the end and follow all steps. So let's move on point how to do it. First, open your browser, Chrome, Google Chrome, and here just search for Goodreads, like this. Click on the first link here, and as you can see, it appears the official site of Goodreads. And as you can notice, I've already created an account here. So if you have an account, you can simply just click on sign in. But this video is about how to create an account, right? So let me show you how to create one. Just in this section here, now here, create a free account. Just type your name. Let's say don't enter in my account, like this. And now type your email address, Bonnie. And now your password. Create some password. And yeah, after you create some password, click on sign up, like this. And here we go. Actually, usually it will appears some tab about to add your friends, but just skip it, and from here you can add your favorite genres. Let's say history, business, that's a cool, art, classes, music, that's a cool, romance, horror, I like horror, and travel, and save it. So that's it. You can also add the challenges, like how many how many books you want to read for a year, and that's it. You can go on my books, and yeah, that's it. If you're finding this video helpful, you can give it a like, and also don't be hesitate to leave your problems, to leave your questions down below the video, and I'll try to respond in a few days if I can. See you next video. Bye.